That's very true, man, which goes into what we're going to talk about today, which is Google PPC. And, on that Facebook community thing, before we start, Randy and I and the whole Chime team are really trying to do a better job with the community inside of Facebook because we're trying to steer it into a more positive environment. So this is why we're bringing in people like you to just showcase them and just dictate where we want to go as a company, right?
Yeah. And I think a lot of it
So,
comes out to leveraging the tool that already exists. And Chime is so deep. I mean, and this is no offense to the company that made it, but I mean, it's almost like you take apart your iPhone, like the iPhone works if you just like don't mess with it. But if you get inside with it and like break the whole thing, then you're suddenly like, my iPhone doesn't work. And it's like, man, you shouldn't have taken it apart. Like it was fine when you got it. Like
You
run some
probably
of the
shouldn't have
bolt-ons.
tried to replace the battery yourself.
You might have not want to do that. So I thought today we would go over just a lot of the nuts and bolts of issues that I see when people are running campaigns, whether they're running them on their own, through a manager, how to plan, how to structure. A lot of people fail in the planning stage and they have no idea. Like they didn't even know.
that's very true, man.
Like
very
they
true.
had no clue.